What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Mega Charizard EX Ultra Premium Collection Box. And quick note, if we do get to 100 subscribers, right now we're at 98, so we're really close. If we get to 100 subscribers, we'll go ahead and do a 151 booster bundle opening. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. A lot of plastic. It's like a huge booster bundle. All right, let's see how it looks. Oh, wow. Looks really cool. I like the placement of the promo card, at least on this side. I figured they should have put a promo card here too, but let's go ahead and look at that Mega Charizard. Now, I don't want to open it just yet, but the Orichalcoo is going to be behind it. So we'll open that later. We have the code card, if anyone wants that. And first thing we have in here is going to be the playmat. I'm pretty excited about this. If I can get this little thing off. There we go. Whoa. Oh, longer than I expected. It's almost like a full desk mat. That's pretty cool looking. Inside of it also has these dice. See if we can get this cover off. With the dice, we got that is a metal coin. That is a metal coin. Everybody tries to convey how metal it is, but maybe you can hear that. I don't know. That's definitely a metal coin. Here's a metal coin up close. This is the back of it. It's pretty iridescent, like rainbow. All right, yeah, these are cool. These dice, blue. I like the kind of pattern they have on them. And then this is a nice deck box. I think, yeah, it has Velcro on the inside. So that's pretty cool. All Mega Charizard X branded. All right, here are the sleeves. Looks really cool. I like how the art takes up pretty much the whole back. And then they are clear instead of cloudy. So that's really good to know. I appreciate that. And last but not least, we have the side packs here. So let's see what's on the right side. Right side, we have Mega Evolution, Mega Evolution, Mega Evolution, more Mega. Oh, then we have some Journey, some Journey, more Journey, and then one Surging Sparks. Okay, I just want to see what's on the other side. So we'll get the left side out. So Phantasmal here, Phantasmal here, Phantasmal, Phantasmal, and oh, Destined Rivals. I'm excited to open some of these. Destined Rivals, Destined Rivals, Destined Rivals. So 4 of those, and then here's the second Surging Sparks. So what we can has a lot of packs here. Okay. All right, so where's that Surging? Somewhere here. There it is. So put the Surging there. I guess, you know, divvying up by each set. Destined Rivals, Phantasmal, and then Mega. We'll do Surging. We'll do Surging first. It's the least amount of packs. So we got Surging going down. See if we can get the Pikachu SAR. That'd be really nice. I'm gonna go with water. Is it water? It's fighting. All right. Can't see what I'm pulling here. All right, Charizard EX to start us off. Very nice. All right, second Surging Sparks. That code card. I'm really excited for the Destined Rivals on this. And water. It's grass. And oh, Hydreigon. Was it Hydreigon? Hydreigon? I'm butchering that. But EX, okay, back to back. We take those. And we're going next into some Journey Together. We have 4 packs of this. I actually do want the Wailord still, if I could. That'd be nice to pull the Wailord. I'm gonna go with Psychic. Because I'm Psychic. We got it. Yes. And a Snorlax. Hops a Snorlax. just a quick update. I don't know how we missed these, but apparently during the opening, I missed these 2 cards, SIR, Hopsashian, and then that Litleo. I don't know how I missed them, but maybe they were stuck together between the cards. Anyways, enjoy. Not bad. I like that. Next pack of Journey. I didn't know Hop had a Snorlax, to be honest. I guess that shows how much I know about Hop. Right? It's kind of a D-tier character to me. Alright, Fire. It's dark. And oh look! Alchemy? I don't know this Pokemon too well. Looks cute. If I could say that. Another pack of Journey. I'm hyped for maybe pulling a Wailord. You never know. It's really all I want. I'm gonna go with Electric. Oh my gosh, no way. And okay, well, double Electric is nice. Looks cool. Last pack of Journey. I like that they give you a little bit of variety in the sets to at least, you know, open up different types. It's not just all Mega, all Phantasmal. I'm gonna go with Fighting. Oh no, you can't be kidding! You can't be kidding that back to back. And okay, striking out on the Journey. No Wailord there. I'm gonna save Destined Rivals for absolute last, just because I like Destined Rivals. Mega Evolution. The Gardevoir SIR and the Gold Gardevoir are, I guess, my chases here. I don't really have any other chases. The Lucario would be cool, the SIR. I'm gonna go with Grass. Okay, it's Electric again. Come on, something. Nope. Okay, Mega Latias EX. Nice, nice. That in there. Hit Pile. Another pack of Mega. Code card for that one. Gonna go with Water. It's Grass. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. This is when I'm filming it on Saturday. Hopefully you're doing what you guys like to be doing. Got our 3rd pack of Mega. At least they give you even numbers. You know, they don't give you 3 or 1. We're gonna get Fighting. Electric, dang, all Electric, huh? I gotta pick another energy anyways. Come on, something. Okay, struck out on that. Last pack of Mega. Can we pull an SIR? Can we pull a Full Art? We had 1 EX. Mega Latias EX. Dark. Give me some dark. It's Fire. Clartzer. Okay. We struck out on those Mega Packs. Let's see if we can get some luck on the Mega Charizard, where at least where we can pull it, the Phantasmal set. I'm not complaining, but I feel like they should have put a little bit more Phantasmal in this. It's okay. All right, I'm gonna go with Water. It's Psychic. Come on, something. Genesect. Okay. So far, this has been a pretty cooked box. We don't have much to show other than a few EXs, no Full Arts, no SIRs. All right, let's go with, I don't know, Water, because I don't know. I don't know why I can't think of any other energies. Something. Okay, Mega Diancie. I guess that's a different Pokemon than Alchemy. They look about the same. Okay. Third pack of Mega Evolution's Phantasmal Flames. Getting ahead of myself. That is the era. That is the set. Right? Mega Evolution. Guard. And I'm gonna go with Electric. Oh, now it's water, huh? And something, come on. Getting cooked, toxicity. My pronunciation needs work with these newer Pokemon. It's like a tongue twister. Yeah, I need medical assistance. Grass, please. Fighting. Give me something, please. Please. Okay, it's something. It's a Rotomi X. We did pull this in another bundle before. All right. Now for the fun part here. We have 4 packs of Destined Rivals. Hoping to pull that Cynthia's Garchomp, even the Mewtwo. To be honest, Ascended Heroes, I believe, has that new Mewtwo. I think it looks better, but it's always fun to rip into some Destined Rivals. That Team Rocket set. This is honestly when it was really hyped for me. I was really into it. I was all about it. Let's go with water. It's dark. Dark for Team Rocket. Come on, first pack magic, please. Okay. I mean, it is a first pack magic, technically. EX, Mabostiff. We are getting a lot of EXs. If the goal was to EX hunt, we're winning. So maybe we should pivot and say we were EX hunting this whole time. Because we're doing that, for sure. Oh, well, I don't know what that was. I think it was honestly electric. And it was. I saw it. So a shimmer of yellow. We'll put that over there. All right, we're just getting into it then. Cooked. Incredible. Maybe it's because they printed so many of these boxes, they just had to give you no hits because there were just so many boxes. I don't know how that works. I feel like the more they printed, the more hits would be in there, per se. Grass. Fire. Just because, you know, there's more of them out there. I don't know. Okay, we are actually getting cooked here. Last pack, please, please. Please. Cynthia's Garchomp, please. I'm gonna go with Psychic. It's fighting. And oh, we got so cooked on that box. We actually got cooked. There is nothing else to be said. That's it. No packs. So without further ado, I am going to open it. See if I can't do this on camera. I want to be very delicate. There we go. And then behind that, we should have the Orichalcoo. And there we go. I do like the way it looks. I mean, I wish they put that in the actual set versus being a promo card in the box. I feel like they kind of shoehorn that in. But, you know, it looks cool. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, after we hit 100 subscribers, we're going to be opening that 151 bundle.